Hi, welcome to our 11th lesson. In this lesson, we will talk about an element that you will use in any website you will make, which is the link element or tag. It is named the anchor tag. Our website consists of web pages linked to each other on the main page or the home page. When we write this tag, as we said before, it has its own attribute, which is the href. It is the main attribute in the link tag. Href means hypertext reference, or the place where you want anyone to go when he clicks on this link. For example, our link refers to Google. So we will write the full path for Google. And here we will write the text that the person will click on to open this link. We will write Google or anything. Let's run the code and try. We will click on Google. As you can see, the link takes us to Google. Is this tag a block tag? No, it is an inline tag. Let me show you. I will take a copy from this line and write Facebook. And right here Facebook. If this tag is a block tag, you will find the two links written in different lines. But they are inline tags, so they will come beside each other, as you can see. That's good for now. We have some attributes that are used with this element, and one of the important attributes is the target. If I write in the target, blank, that means that this web page will open in a new tab. Let me show you what I mean. If I run the code without the target attribute and click on this link, it will open in the same tab. But when I run the code with the target attribute, this link will open in a different tab. As you can see. Let's try one of the global attributes, which is the title. I will right-click on me. So now when I put the cursor on Google, the title will appear in a small rectangle. You need to know that the anchor tag can take you to any link or to a web page you have. For example, I have another page called test.html. So I will write test.html. That's for today. Thank you for watching and see you in the next lesson.